What's up, YouTube? I'm Josh. This is another episode of Beard Meets Flavor, and today we're trying our hand at tacos al pastor. But we're using a traditional marinade, but we're cooking it on the Blackstone. And instead of just doing pineapple, onion, and cilantro, we're going to make a nice little charred pineapple salsa. So stick around. We'll show you how we did it. So this is kind of the ingredients for the adobo sauce for the tacos al pastor. So we've got some guajillo chilies, some pasillas, some garlic, some achiote paste, onions, pineapple, chipotle peppers, orange juice, apple cider vinegar, uh, peppercorns, cloves, chicken bouillon, oregano, salt, and cumin, and thyme. So we've got a bunch of stuff. This is really kind of the most difficult part of it. It doesn't really take long to do. The biggest thing is just making sure you have all the ingredients. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these beautiful dried chilies and we're going to rehydrate them. So I've got a pot of boiling water over here. Oh, uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. So I'm going to put them in this pot of boiling water. I'm going to put a lid on it and we're going to let them kind of steep for about 5 minutes to rehydrate. And then we're going to take care of whatever my guy needs over there. We'll see in just a second. All right, so we let the peppers steep for about 5 minutes. So we're going to put these in the blender. We did, before we put them in the pot, we pulled the stems and all the seeds. So we're going to go ahead and just take these bad boys, put them in the blender here. Okay, and then we're going to take a cup of the liquid, the cooking liquid, put it in here. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do there. We're gonna blend it. We'll come right back. So the peppers are all blended. You see, it's this real nice dark puree, super smoky, a little bit of sweetness. It's gonna be delicious. Lots of flavor. All right, so we're gonna start adding in the other ingredients. Got our chipotle peppers, our garlic cloves, our pineapple, and obviously there's a few ingredients to this. So and this is a traditional recipe. This isn't something I came up with, so I'll leave a link down below to where I got the recipe from. So we've got the pineapple in there, throw our onion in there, our achiote paste, our seasoning, our dry seasonings here, and then our wet ingredients. All right, so same thing. We're going to go ahead and blend this up, and then we'll be back in just a sec. All right, unfortunately, we lost audio, so I'm just going to voice over. But right here, I'm talking about how amazing this marinade smells. You can really smell the peppers, the garlic, the citrus. It's just a little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat, just well balanced, beautiful, dark, rich color. For this, we used pork chops. I think typically this is going to be like a pork shoulder or pork butt that is thinly sliced, and then it's layered over a spit with pineapple on top and then slow roasted for a long period of time. But we're trying to make this easy. So we're just using pork chops. You can really use whatever you want. You can use chicken, you can use steak, fish, shrimp. You can even make it vegetarian or vegan and use like tofu or chickpeas, whatever you want. It's a real versatile dish. This marinade is excellent on everything. Um, so anyways, we're taking the pork chops. We're just going to cut these up into nice little cubes like you see here, perfect bite-sized cubes. And we're going to fill up the bowl. We're then going to put this marinade on there, let it soak for about 4 hours. This recipe, I used only about half of the marinade. The rest of the marinade, I put in a bag, put it in the freezer. So that way, if I want to make, like I said, do some chicken or something and at another time, I can go ahead and defrost this. It's ready to rock and roll, put it on the chicken, and we're good to go. All right, let's bring this home. So I've got our pineapple here. I've charred it on the grill, cut it up into little cubes to get that nice caramelization, that little bit of extra flavor. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to add in some red onions, some finely diced well, not finely diced, but some diced red onion. It's going to add that real nice bright bite that's going to pair well with that sweetness and the tartness of the pineapple. You can add as much or as little as you want. You can even use other onions. I'm now adding in chopped jalapenos. I left the seeds in because I like the heat. And now I'm putting in some cilantro. We're going to add a little bit of fresh lime juice, give it a good squeeze. It's going to also keep it fresh, prevent it from, it's going to preserve it a little bit, add that nice bright freshness as well. Good pinch of salt, and then mix that bad boy up. Just like most of the salsas I've made in the past, we're going to put this in the fridge, let it chill, let the flavors meld, and be ready for the tacos.
All right, so we lost audio when we dropped the meat onto the griddle, but so we got the meat cooking right now. You can really smell all the peppers and the garlic, and it smells absolutely amazing. So we dropped it on a nice hot griddle, and we're just going to let it roll, get everything cooked through, and we'll come back and we'll see about eating this stuff. Okay, so we heated up some corn tortillas. Place these here. Here. Guess we'll just, wow. They're really hot. We're gonna grab a plate real quick. Throw this guy to the side. And we're gonna build. All right, so we're gonna start with a little of the pork. Okay, pork's done. We're going to get some of the salsa. Top a little bit of cheese. And we're eating. Okay, so we're going to dress these guys up. We're going to take a few photos and we'll taste them, see how they are. We'll be right back. Okay, so here's the finished product. They look delicious. They look flavorful. They look juicy. Let's see how they taste. But if you guys have stuck around this long, do us a favor, like, subscribe, tell a friend, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Let's tuck into these. I'm sure we'll have a few people that'll give me the old what is it, 9th degree or whatever, 10th degree for some dog shit reason, as they always do. But who cares? Let's eat some food. It's time for the beard to meet the flavor. Looks good. The meat, that pork chop, super tender, super flavorful. That pineapple salsa, really bright, fresh, sweet. That red onion really comes through, pops. And that nice traditional al pastor flavor. There was quite a few ingredients, but all in all, pretty simple to make. Absolutely delicious. I suggest you go to the store, get some ingredients, give this a try. Let us know what you think. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.